Correction. 289, Ken?
289.
We have nothing further, Ken.
10-4.
Queen CMS box 8400 on the Grand Central Parkway at the Long Island Expressway for an auto accident. Queen CMS box 8400 on the Grand Central Parkway at the Long Island Expressway. No direction given for an auto accident. 1850 the time, dispatch 408. Engine 289, Ken. (10-4). 1092 box 9383. 1092 box 9383. By the orders of engine 289. Queen Battalion 46.
Battalion 46.
Queen Battalion 46 responding to box 8400 on the Grand Central Parkway at the Long Island Expressway for an auto accident.
Battalion 46, 10-4.
Queen Battalion 52.
Battalion 52.
Battalion 52, you can remain in service, Ken.
52, 10-4, 10-8.
Queen Section 273.
Engine 273.
You can remain in service, Ken.
10-4 with 10-8.
Queen Stiletto 129.
129.
You can also remain in service, Ken.
129, 10-8.